Are you looking for a home in Pocatello, Idaho under $400,000? This 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,400 square feet home might be just for you. Let's check it out. As you enter the home, you will see the gorgeous hardwood floor, fresh paint, beautiful great room with a lot of natural light. This walk-through kitchen features an upgraded gas stove, stainless steel appliances that stay, and plenty of counter space for your family. The amazing primary bedroom includes a large ensuite and 2 double closets for your clothes. This amazing backyard includes a 2-tier deck, an amazing hot tub, and a beautiful tiered garden area. Downstairs you'll find this great living room, 2 large bedrooms, 2 rooms for storage, and an additional half bath. If you liked what you saw today, click the link below and we'll be happy to help.